If you like easy, foolproof grilling, then today's video is for you. I'm going to show you how to make a big, beautiful, bodacious grilled ham steak with a zesty homemade marinade. It's really easy and really good. Now, are you ready? Because the kitchen is now open. Come on in. Let's cook up something good. For my great grilled ham steak, the ingredients I'll be using are 1 thick-cut ham steak, and for my marinade, Catalina salad dressing. I'm using homemade because it's so much better, and it's really easy to make using the following ingredients: half a cup of red wine vinegar, 1/3 cup of ketchup, a 1/4 cup of honey, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire, a half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and a half a cup of canola or light olive oil. Pour all dressing ingredients except the oil into a blender and puree for about 15 seconds. Once pureed, keeping the lid closed and blender running, open the vent in the lid and drizzle in the oil slowly to allow it to emulsify. Add your ham to a large zippered freezer bag and pour in about a 1/4 cup of dressing and spread on one side. Flip over and repeat. Expel as much air as possible and then zip shut. You'll have enough dressing left over for multiple steaks or to use on salad. This dressing can be stored in your fridge for up to a month. Refrigerate your steak for 4 to 6 hours or, for better flavor, overnight. I'm heating my grill to about 450 degrees. With the flame set on medium-high, place your steak on the grill long enough to heat through and to get sufficient grill marks and added flavor. Then flip and repeat. The zesty marinade and the smoke from the grill give this ham steak a big flavor bang for the buck. It's so easy to make, and yet it's a huge favorite at our house. It doesn't have to take a ton of work to get great flavors that can get your family running to the dinner table where family is built. And if you feed them, they will come.